guys. 8 o'clock in the morning, starting way later than normal. Had to do some work yesterday morning and some work this morning, but I got up extra early so I can get that work done and come out here and do some fishing. We're out here in Matlacha Pass again, and we're gonna go see what we can find. Got a little solo trip today, nobody with me, so hopefully I don't need any help, but we should be fine. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Water is like glass today, boy. Got a green Hobie over there. It's over there. Play some leapfrog. We can get today. No wind. Our temp is 85. It's not too clear. Tide is very slow incoming all day. So I don't know a lot. Seeing if anybody's home. Got big. Today's the first of the day. Little baby Snook. Send him on home. That's the tax man. He's out here to garnish your wages. Tax man there, and you got a tax man there. They don't want that kicking shrimp though. Ooh, look at that. You make a little bit of noise and those bad boys are coming. I ain't gonna lie. Pucker factor of 5 right there. 5 out of 5. Oh, that boy came in hot. At least a 6-footer. You gotta keep your hands, feet, and all appendages in the vehicle at all times during the summer. You gotta do it in the winter too, because don't be like me. No, I'm kidding. I got all. Hey, man. I get the blood pumping. It's very slow. Got the one Snook. Didn't have it pinned down. Hara. Still on that Skrimp Pimp. Yeah, I'm using the Wise Guys Tackle Skrimp Pimp. This one's kind of beat up. I got to change it out. Eyes hook. I think this is a 1/4 ounce. Pound fluorocarbon, going to 18-pound braid. Probably overkill, but I like to pull them out of the trees, and Matlacha has the Grinch grass, so it'd be able to have that. A Penn Pursuit 4 LE 3000. Same thing on this one, just running the Root Beer 24K. Feller. Ooh, I see what there's over there. Does it look like it? GoPro stop video. I can't fully eat it. Ones, those big ones. Come on, guys, commit. A little Snook right there. Oh, look, there's one. $9.30 flyby. It's hot, y'all. Water's 88 degrees where I'm at, but it's kind of dark. It's hot. It is hot. I'm on my 2nd bottle of water. A lot of Snook today. A lot of Snook. So we're probably gonna fish our way back. Hopefully we can get a red or something like that. If not, we still had a good day. I think I've been 8 Snook right now, so Gonna cruise on back, see what we find. Monster head wake. I don't know what this is. A big old shark. Manatee. Oh, it is. No, evasive maneuvers. Yeah, it's a manatee. I didn't see it come up for air at all, so I figured fish. That thing to go underneath you, they get spooked. I'll ruin your day. He's right there. You got sharks. You got manatees. Prince, there he is. He's coming up for air right there. Alright guys, it is 11:12. Temp is 88, 87 degrees for Snook. Various sizes. Most of them on the Skrimp Pimp. Wise Guys tackle. We're gonna work our way back, see what we find, and probably call it an early day. It's hot. Go home, clean up, edit this video, get something to eat. Ready for the work week again, the next trip. So, see what we can find on the way home.